uncle's house. He has two houses. This one, he usually lets it go on rent. And he just turned on the bonfire.
Oh no! Oh no! He liked it!
It's not really big right now. It's going out.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's really hot over here.
Oh.
Wow. There's more fire right now. My dad just put more sticks in there. It feels like we're camping right now. And I like camping. It's really, since you guys can't feel it or hear it, well, you can hear it, but it's really hot there. It's like steaming hot.